Find the rank of matrix 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 4 minus 2 4 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 7 6. So the given matrix is of order is 3 by 4. So 3 rows and 4 columns. So the formula can be taken as rho of A, which is less than or equal to minimum of m comma n. So m means rows, n means column. So 3 rows and 4 columns. So 3 comma 4. So minimum of 3 comma 4 is 3. So the rank value is strictly less than or equal to 3. So straight away go to the calculation. So 1 minus 2 3 4 minus 2 4 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 2 7 6. First the second row, first element, try to make it as 0. So we have to apply the first condition is R2 tends to R2 plus 2 R1. So R2 tends to, this is negative value. So R2 tends to R2 plus 2 R1. This time is become 0. So minus 2 plus 2 into 1 equal to 0. Again comparing 4 and minus 2. So 4 plus 2 into minus 2, this value is 0. Again minus 1 plus 2 into 3, value is 5. And next one is minus 3 plus 2 into 4 equal to 5. This is the first one. Again next one. Again this element is tried to make it as 0. So the third row is compared with first row. This element is taken as a 0. So suppose third one is compared with first. So adding these two elements, automatically this time is become 0. So the condition is R3 tends to R3 plus R1. So adding R3 and R1, minus 1 plus 1 value is 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 7 plus 3, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. So the matrix is 1 minus 2 3 4 0 0 5 5. Finally we have to apply the condition R3 tends to R3 minus 2 R2. So already we have to form the upper triangular matrix, but these two values are non-zero. So this third row values are compared with second row. Suppose we have to take third is compared with second. So R3 tends to R3 minus 2 R2. This time is become 0. Again 10 minus 2 into 5. Automatically this value is become 0. So we have to apply this condition R3 tends to R3 minus 2 R1. So these two terms are become 0. So finally 3 rows and 4 columns. Suppose the 3 rows are not equal to 0, rank value is 3. But in this problem, only one row, all the elements are become 0. So the rank of matrix value is 2. Next problem. If A equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 2, 3, and B equal to 1 minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, minus 6, 5, 1, minus 1, Then find the rank of AB and the rank of BA. We have to calculate two values. First one is AB, another one is BA. Finally, we have to compute the rank of AB and BA. First, we have to concentrate the calculation of AB. So, we have to take two matrix. A values are 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 3, minus 2, 3. B values are 1, minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, minus 6, 5, 1, minus 1. Multiply these two matrices. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Again 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Again 1 into 3 is 3, and 1 into minus 6 is minus 6, and minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So proceed, we have to proceed in the similar manner. So we have to obtain the values are, this first value is minus 6, second value is 1, third value is minus 2, next value is 28, another one is minus 12, next one is 20, and next value 22, and minus 11 and 18. So this is the value of AB. Next we have to compute the determinant of AB. Determinant of AB can be taken as minus 6, cross calculation, minus 12 into 18 is minus 2 and 6, minus 2 minus plus 220, minus 1 into 28 into 18 is 504, minus 22 into 20 is 440, minus 2 into 28 into minus 11, minus 308, again plus 264. So minus 6 into this value is 4, minus 1 into 64, and minus 2 into minus 44. So minus 24, minus 64, 2 into minus 44 is plus 88, minus 88 plus 88 equal to 0. So 0 means singular. So this rank value, this is the 3 by 3 matrix. So the rank value is not equal to 3. Suppose this we have obtained some values in this expression, means this is non singular, so rank values become 3. So but in this problem this is singular, so rank value is not equal to 3. So the rank value is not equal to 3. So the row of A value is not equal to 3. So we have to consider the second order minor. We have to take any one of the minor value for this previous result. So we have to consider any one of the minor for this expression. So minus 6, 1, 2, 28, minus 12. So determinant minus 6 into minus 12 is 72, minus 28. 44 is not equal to 0. This is the non-singular. So the rank of AB value is 2. Similarly, we have to compute BA value. So B can be taken in first, A can be taken in second. Multiply these two matrices. 1 into 1, 1, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, 3 into 3, 9. Again 1 into 1, 1, minus 2 into second value. So minus 1 into, we have to take the second value. So 1 into 1, and second value is minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6, and 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Again 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, 3 into 3 is 9. Proceed in the similar manner. So the BA value is 610, minus 12, minus 2, 0, 4, 4, minus 4. So this is the value of BA. So this is the 3 by 3 matrix. So we have to compute the determinant of BA is 610, minus 12, minus 2, 0, 4, 4, minus 4. Find the determinant. So 6 into 8 minus 0, minus 1 into 48 minus 0, 0 into anything is this one is become 0. So 6 into 8 is 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. This is singular. So singular means the rank value is not equal to 3. So we have to consider the second order minor for this expression. First we have to consider this minor for this expression. 6 1 minus 12 2. So again determinant value 6 into minus 2 is minus 12 and plus 12. Again this one is singular. So again we have to consider the another minor. Minus 1 0 minus 2 0, 1 into 0 0 and minus 2 into 0 is 0. This is also singular. So again we have to consider the next minor is minus 12 minus 2 4 and 4. So in this minor minus 12 minus 2 4 4. So cross calculation, minus 12 into 4 is minus 48, 4 into minus 2 is plus 8, minus 48 plus 8 is minus 40, which is not equal to 0. This is non-singular. So in this minor, any one of the minor is not equal to 0. The rank of BA is 2. Suppose we have to check all the minor values. Suppose we have to take the first minor value 0 means we have to take the second minor, third minor or fourth minor. Suppose any one of the minor values is not equal to 0, so the rank of BA value is 2. So finally these two rank values are same. So the rank of AB which is equal to rank of BA which is equal to 2. Hence the